Well, as I figure, since we had success solving the hard J, why not try the STIHL BG86C hellboard? Now, I should this video probably start because I did have Wire West first. I did have a Wire West Wednesday, the Wednesday before this game, so I should probably start one. Plus, usually this video starts more easier than the harder does. As you may have saw the harder video, it took quite a bit of while, but let's see how this will do. Just waiting for. Okay. Oh yeah, just like I thought. Start the. Let me go over it. No, just like I thought. Let me get. Yeah, just sorry about that. This board is definitely more warmer than the general. Special part. It's not pretty easy. This rushing between the general and this will start more easier. Not going to do any blowing because it's really not going to blow. Anyways guys, I told you guys, bye bye.